Gcash ref 7571. Gcash, your phone is not secure, or Gcash not secure. How to fix this problem? Go to settings, then search for build number. Tap on build number. Continuously tap on build number 4 or 5 times. Now enable a lock screen password. You are a developer. Now search settings again, developer option. Tap on developer option. Scroll down and turn off OEM unlocking. Press back button. Now turn off use developer option. Now open your Gcash app. Now I hope that this method fix Gcash ref 7571. Gcash your phone is not secure problem.